In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the filter life indicator on a Winix air purifier. Now these are the same for a lot of different models. This model here I happened to purchase at Costco. Now they have a lot of different models, but some of the filter life reset indicators are basically the same. As you can see over here, we got a red flashing light. That means you either need to clean your air filters or replace them. Now if you clean or replace your filters, you put it back in. Let's say you unplug your unit, plug it back in, turn it on. That annoying red light is still going to flash. Just keep watching the video, and I'll show you how to get it reset. On the top of your unit, right next to the filter replacement light, you have a kind of a circular arrow right here. Well, that's a reset. So what you need is, you can use a paper clip, a thin piece of wire, or grab a needle out of your wife's sewing kit. We're going to insert it into this tiny little hole. Don't push real hard. Just push down, a little more than firm, but not too hard. And it's going to take about 5 seconds, and you're going to hear a beep, and that means that your filter is now reset. Congratulations on resetting your air filter indicator light. Hope this video was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.